Today we are taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 Taxis. What's up guys, BJ Kicks here. Welcome back to my channel, Kicks on Kicks, where I review sneakers. Now, today we are taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 in the Taxi colorway, aka the yellow toes. Can't lie, these gotta be in the top 5 sneaker releases of the year. And it's honestly a pretty stacked sneaker year to me, right? So we're going to take a look at this shoe. I'm going to give you a once over. I'm going to give you a detailed look, give you some legit checking tips so you don't get got out there on these markets. And then we'll do an on foot. Before we do any of that, though, I got to give a huge shout out to the good folks over at UIA Sneaker for sending this pair over, donating it to the channel for content. Thank you guys. All their information is in the description down below. Now, let's go ahead with the review. Now, just starting off, just with, like I said, a quick once over of the shoe. This is your now classic sort of shattered backboard, bread toe color blocking. We've got the pine greens in this color blocking, the court purples, the shattered backboards, the bread toes, the all-star games, and now these. And I'm sure I'm leaving something out because that's how many of these little color block shoes we got. But it's basically a yellow toe, sail on the mid panel, and your normal Jordan color blocking from there. So super dope. I really love this color blocking on the Jordan 1. And honestly, you can't really go wrong with any Jordan 1 silhouette. But anyway, you got this classic bread toe color blocking. You got a nice smooth leather here on your mud guard. You got a nice sail, kind of aged midsole, your cheesy taxi yellow outsole, and then that same taxi yellow on your toe box and on your heel and all that. So overall, very, very nice. I love it. And there's really not much else to discuss on the shoe. So you got a few nice details, like right here. You got on the tongue, you got your Nike Air tag. This is yellow and white, or like yellow and sail. I think this will look better if this was blacked out with the yellow writing, but hey, what do I know? And then, yeah, really that's it. Now that we've taken a quick look at the shoe, I do want to give you a nice look at the box because I think that is a super unique feature. So the box that these come in is in this super dope taxi yellow color. Obviously it's a Nike Air Jordan 1 box. You got your huge Nike swoosh sort of logo on the back, on the sides. You know, it's standard fare, except we got that taxi yellow all over and your Nike is in black. Whereas on most Jordan 1s, you get that standard black and red box. Always love when they do something special with the box, because now I know which shoes are in my closet without having to put a sticker on them or without having to invest in big drop front sneaker boxes. So, of course, my sizing information, I got these in the US size 9. These are coming out this Saturday, September 24th, with a retail price of $170. Right now, resale is not super crazy, so you should be able to get them if you want them, but you know these Jordan 1s get gobbled up, so hurry up and buy. But anyway, that's the box. Now let's again take a look at the details on this shoe, where I'm sure the biggest question is going to be quality. Now, of course, these are always going to get compared to the shattered backboards. Every Jordan 1 is going to get compared to the shattered backboards. And while these certainly look the part, they kind of look like the shattered backboards because this yellowish orange is, I mean, I can't lie, it's not that close to the darker orange we got on the shattered backboards, but it's also closer to that than it is to that canary yellow that we saw before. But anyway, looking at the shoe, I will tell you that the feel on this shoe is really good, right? I don't have a pair of shattered backboards, so I can't tell you if it's as good as that, but this toe box is super soft. The leather on this toe box, super, super tumbled. Your white or your sail leather is not as soft. It's kind of tough. And of course, your black leather on these is going to be a lot tougher. What I will tell you, though, is comparing these to my 2016 breads, while the toe box on the breads is super soft, this side panels and all that, is definitely a lot tougher than it is on this shoe. So I'm expecting this shoe to be more comfortable and also wear a little bit better, like all around and not just in the toe box. So I don't know, but either way, they're Jordan 1s. You kind of know what to expect. Let's put this back. Review on those coming soon. But anyway, so that's what everybody's going to want to know is the feel of this shoe. I can tell you this leather is super soft. It feels like it's going to be really comfortable and it's going to break in well. Now, outside of that detail on the tongue, the other thing you're going to want to know is on the insole here, you got your nice yellow Nike Air insole. Nothing to see. It's a standard Jordan 1 insole with your Nike Air branding on it. And it's in that nice taxi yellow. Now, that's really it. So now that we've looked at the shoe, I've talked about the details, let's take a look at the other shoe and let me give you some legit checking indicators that you can be on the lookout for. So, got both shoes? Cool. Now, if your shoes came with these extra laces, this pair of yellow laces or this pair of cream laces, go ahead, take it back. It's a fugazi. You got scammed. Unless, of course, you were trying to buy a replica, like I was. But these shoes, the retail version of this shoe, does not come with any extra laces. It will come with this black lace pre-started in the shoe and nothing else. No laces in the box. No laces in a little baggie attached to the shoe. No extra laces. Got it? Cool. Now, the only other real legit checking indicator that you'll get on a lot of these Jordans is a lot of people say to look out for the tongue because the tongue tends to be flatter and kind of stick up more before you lace it and put it on. Is anybody going to see that on your foot? No. But if you're trying to buy these from somebody and they're trying to charge you resale, look out for that. And then the other thing is everybody always wants to see is there the hourglass shape on the back. Now, mine have that hourglass shape. This does kind of flop open like it's supposed to. So maybe that's not a good legit checking indicator, but if yours doesn't, then that's a red flag. So those are the legit checking points. The biggest thing on this shoe is going to be no extra laces. If yours has extra laces, it's a fugazi for sure. But yeah, overall thoughts. I mean, look, I'm a Jordan 1 guy, so there's not much you're going to do on a shoe to make me not like it if it's a Jordan 1, except maybe give it a mid-top cut and some weird colors. But this classic color blocking on a high-top OG Jordan 1, it's going to be a 10 out of 10 every time. I'll give this one a 9 out of 10 because I think it would really look better if this tongue tag was black and gold or black and taxi or black and cheese, whatever we're going to call this color. But other than that, I got no problems with this shoe, and I plan to wear it a lot. I'm not a Steelers fan. I'm not a Pirates fan. I don't know what I'm going to wear this with besides a bunch of all black like it's already in my closet, but it's going to find its way into the rotation. You can guarantee that. You can bet that. So those are my overall thoughts on the shoe. I'll give it a 9 out of 10 for sure on the replication. I mean, I don't see any flaws except on my little back tab. There's like, I don't know, something got stuck in there or what, but I mean, whatever. Nobody's going to see that on my feet, and I'm probably not going to notice after a couple of wears either. So that's the shoe. Quality on this is pretty good. My grade, definitely go to the store on Saturday. Like I said, these drop on the 24th at 10 a.m. on most sneaker websites. So make sure you're in line. Get yourself a pair. I don't know how resale is going to be, so don't leave it up to the resellers. Go get your pair of these and holler at me and let me know how you like them in the comments down below. Let me go ahead and lace these up and give you an on foot.